Are you thinking about taking that first step into higher education? You never know where it might lead you, but it will change your life. Check out the University of East London. We're going to make this process as stress-free as possible. First off, if you don't have your results, simply sign up to Priority Clearing. You'll get a bespoke number, save it on your phone, then jump the queue on results day. Got your results? Then this next bit is easy. Firstly, we've made a clearing family. They can answer all your questions. And then we get our tech team together to do some thinking. And now you can apply in 3 ways. 1, apply online in 5 minutes and find out if you can get an instant offer. 2, give us a call and the team complete your application. Or 3, chat to us live on our website right now. Ta-da! Don't fret, we've got your back. Start your future career today.